Good morning internet, it is Saturday in the morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm having a short ride. I'm riding to a place called Vaishali and it should only take me a few hours. I'm gonna make a few stops on the way, so let's go. And I came here to see some old ruins, but the entrance to the ruins is right at a busy market and there was just no way I could park my bike, including all the luggage, somewhere safe. So yeah, I just skipped the ruins, bit of a bummer. I'll just keep on riding to Vaishali, which is still about 3 hours ride from here, so I better get going. Do you have accommodation?
Yes.
Accommodation? Sleep.
Sleeping, yes.
Possible?
Yes.
Oh, that is so lovely. Bedroom. And here's the bathroom. Very nice.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, very good. Thank you. See you. So this is my little cottage. So cute. I actually really like this place. But anyway, first I'm gonna go and look at my chain because I noticed that my chain was a little bit loose. So I'm gonna tighten it. Now I'm going to tighten it. And that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I have a bit of a crazy plan for tomorrow, so stay tuned for the next video.